And for our top story this evening, 13-year-old David has gone missing just days before his bar mitzvah, leaving his friends and family wondering, where in the world is David?
Folks, this is your captain speaking. We've reached our cruising altitude at 32,000 feet. I'll go ahead and turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. We have overcast conditions. Should be smooth sailing all the way to Manila. We'll arrive at 9:32 local time.
Captain 1549, we have a problem.
Copy that, ATC. This is 1549. Go ahead.
You're not gonna like this, sir. Your mom is standing by.
Say what?
Your mom wants to talk to you. Do you copy 1549?
Copy, ATC. Did you tell her I'm busy?
Yes, sir, but she says it's urgent.
Roger that, ATC. Put her through.
David, where are you?
32.109 degrees north, 34.855 degrees east.
Don't play smart with me, young man. I need you to get dressed for your bar mitzvah.
I'm in the middle of something, Mom.
Look, I know you and Teddy are probably having a great time, but I need you to come home so you can get ready.
I don't think that'd be possible, ATC.
What did you call me?
I mean, I don't think that'd be possible, Mom. Can I just meet you at the Four Seasons? Mom, do you copy?
Okay, that's fine, David. You're just growing up so fast.
Yeah, I know, Mom. I really have to go. I'll be there at 1900 hours. I mean, 7 p.m.
That's great, honey. You're so independent these days, and I just want to let you know how proud your dad and I.
Good afternoon. This is your captain again. Due to unforeseen circumstances, we'll have to put the plane down at Boston Logan. Your tickets will not be refunded, and you will not receive any compensation of any kind. Thank you for flying David Air.
Gentlemen, I ask you to stand up right now and make some noise for the star of the evening.